What's up guys, it's me Jack and today we are in Universe Sandbox. We are going to, what are we going to do now? What should we do first? So yeah, we're just back in Universe Sandbox and yeah, it's just going to be no video of Universe Sandbox. So yeah, we're just going to see what we can do here. Should I aim at Earth? I don't know. Palace. So I think what I'm maybe having stuff on mind to do is add random objects into the solar system. So I might make another like asteroid belt or slash dust cloud. So I'm gonna see what I can do here. Dust clouds like that. Let's add dust clouds here. I think they're obviously gonna head towards the sun. So maybe dust clouds aren't quite the move. But if we go for a random asteroid and random rock particle, so we're just gonna do that, and then some asteroids. Oh, heck! Let's slow this down. Is Venus missing this? It probably is. I would say it is missing. Let's see if all these asteroids can beat the sun or make it even worse as it than it is. See if we can make this whole bloody place hotter. So currently the sun's temperature is 5,780 Kelvin. So we just need to add. Oh. We got all of them. Like, oh heck. You know, these might burn, you know. Like, let's see how hot some of these asteroids are. Like, rock particle, how hot are you? How warm? 57 degrees. Yeah, no Earth temperature can ever reach that. How the hell is that? -8 degrees. Ooh, right, let me really slow this down. Boom. Okay, that asteroid's gone. It's just got obliterated. Nothing changed for the sun though. Nothing's changed much, honestly. Okay, so nothing's changing the temperature or changing anything, like the mass, etc. Right, turns out none of this has changed. Some of the asteroids even freaking missed. Right, they actually missed. Right, so I'm gonna just add some random planetary objects that are heading towards the sun. I'm gonna add some rocky planets. So let's actually add planets. All these planets. I'm gonna try to destroy the sun. Like as much as humanly possible. We don't have 8 planets, we could probably have like hundreds of planets on the solar system, which is madness. Which probably wouldn't happen. So, okay. Oh, I think, collisions already. Frick, I think I just saw some collisions. Are you orbiting? Are you going? Oh yeah, it's orbiting, but it's giving off something. Alright. I think it's just leaving, it's dipping, but the rest of it is really getting consumed by the sun. or it's completely just being flipped and flopped all the way. Boom. Oh, gravity goes back, and then all of this is going to eventually. Ooh. Now we've got some weird, wacky orbits. Oh no. Right, gravity's really moving away the sun, innit? Right, we need to check on Earth. So this would most likely be the winter season. Because obviously this is, the sun is like all the way there. Like that's quite a far point. And then here. So around here is minuses. It's in the minus degrees apparently. Some reason this is cold. Freezing, freezing cold. But I still don't get why they're just not realistic. Okay. It still isn't realistic, really. It has no realism. Like, Space Engine can really simulate that a lot better. Oh. Right, let's get some gas planets. That's really gonna cause... This is gonna escalate everything. Or just some strangers, exoplanets. Keplers and wasps and all that. Kepler HDs. Let's get all of them. Get them all together. The exoplanet revolution. I need to do a full round between Jupiter and Saturn. My fingers are getting knackered. Okay, I think that should be just perfect. Let's get it all off and look at all that. It's my games, my frame rates are dropping a bit. Let me get my freaking frame rates are dropping, so that's definitely a sign. Oh, what the frick? Wait, they're causing. Okay, every single. Oh, okay, we got some supernovas. Okay, there's a whole centered planet. This is just a bit bigger than Jupiter. 1.6. Oh. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? All these planets leaving. They're all just leaving, really. But no matter. Right, let me toughen up the sun's gravity. Gravity. We need some gravity. Right, lock the freaking radius. What do I do? Alright. How do I lock? I just want more mass. Get them back. Yeah, my game can't even simulate months properly at this point. Can't even like properly simulate anything. Oh, what the frick happened? The sun is in disaster. Why is the temperatures dropping? Why are they dropping? I think they should increase. Let me actually increase the freaking temperature. Get all them planets burning. I think the Earth is definitely done for. Where the hell is Earth? Where's Earth? Alright, I think it's gone forever. It might have just got collided. Mars. Where's Earth? Alright. So I'm guessing the sun might just bash with Earth. So sadly, this is just how it is now. Look at all that havoc. And we've got a lot of other exoplanets that are just leaving. Like, this is not the solar system I want to go to. What the hell's all these scales? They're the huge scales, these. What the hell? This is so far from the sun, it's getting colder. No sunlight. Big scales, alright. Then the sun's down the solar system. Yeah, that's not a good sign. Yep, this is screwed. Alright, luminosity. Bit of luminosity apparently means increase in temperature. Ooh, ooh. What if I do -1 Kelvin? What the hell is this? Alright. Okay. So guess that does end up maybe in the negatives. Let's make it boiling hot. Let's make it burning. Way more than burning actually. It's really absorbing. Oh, yeah, it's causing some clouds that will never end. Oh, my game is gone basically. My frame rates are screwed. And it's been like 100 years of this havoc. Like, at least 100 years. How could I still set the years to go high? Like, what? Okay, how? How could I set it to go high? What? 4, 4, 2, 6, year 7. Yeah, how is it gonna reach that at this point in time? Yeah, there's absolutely no way this is gonna reach much. We practically got other stars. What the frick is this? What about a galaxy? Is this the size of a galaxy? Sun mass. I have no idea what this math is. Oh, that's just not much bigger than the sun, isn't it? Alright. Auto. What the heck? Kilograms? Okay. What is this complicated math? Okay. Like, that is so strange, isn't it? Radius. Ah, radius. The sun's practically going to turn to a black hole or something. Like, if I shrink it down in size, in mass. If I shrink it in radius. We got an odd-shaped planet. Oof, my game is gone. Again, it's freaking gone. Density. It's not even a millimeter. Oh, density is gone. Means this can't even hold. Oh, heck. Ooh, alright, this is serious. This is serious. Now the sun is just leaving its center area. What the hell? Freaking hell, it's been like 3,000 years, and yeah, this is what that's turned to. Disaster. Maki. All of them. Frick. I can see Earth even on there anymore. I don't even know. Orbitable lines off. Labels. We still got Jupiter. What the heck? Okay, Jupiter's still a thing, but it's screwed. It is screwed. Alright, look at that. Looked at that. Alright. Epilepsy warning alert. Right, anyway, let's just get the hell out of this solar system. Let's make my own system. Empty simulation. Okay, after pretty much a few thousand years of hell, we are in a new simulation. So, what should we do? I think we should just do some random object colliding. So, for example, oh, that scales down a lot, doesn't it? Like, compare that size to the Earth. A pool ball, a banana. I'm gonna let these two collide, like microscopically. So, pool ball there, banana here. And this is in meters long, so delete. So we're going to really slow the hell this down. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I think that went too fast. Okay, banana. Right, let's turn the mass down. Ooh. I'd be like, how is the banana in kilograms? That would be insane. This is a megagrams. 50 megagrams. 50. And this is like the tiniest object you've ever seen. Look at that. And millimeters. Wait, how the hell? Wait, can I undo this? No, I can't. 50. Mass off. Radius at 2. Oh, look how tiny that is, but that is quite heavy for its weight. Banana. So if I put a planetary object beside it, it will, yeah, banana. Banana. Okay, let's put an Earth on, or the moon, I don't know, Mercury. If we scale a banana to Mercury, why is it on going? Right. Okay, Mercury, I think might have just disappeared out of nowhere. What the hell? Okay. Like, look at Mercury as you are landing. I'm gonna land on that banana. Well, if I can actually. I don't know if I can. Right, look up. Look at Mercury. They may not appear massive, you know, so oops. And of course, Mercury is getting it. So now, time to launch Mercury with more craters, as it has a lot of craters already. He's done for Mercury. Mercury, you're no good, my friend. You're no good, my friend. Does this even have any movement? Very, very tiny. It's not much at all. I'm practically not even moving. Get more craters! Vroom! Some fresh craters out of the blue. This asteroid still hasn't landed yet. What? Right, let me get some serious asteroids. Like, how massive can I make these kind of things? Ooh, yeah, that's definitely causing a scar. More scars, more scars. Ooh, that is some mad noises here. Ooh, proper explosion sounds. Right, let me get. I'm gonna put density on, so like it gets more gravity. But it does get a lot smaller. That's gonna turn into a black hole. No, it's not a star. Oh, it did turn a star. What the heck? Oh yeah, Mercury is now a black hole. Very, very dense. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, you're screwed if you're in Mercury, guys. Oh, none of you are. What the hell? Right, okay, new simulation. Let's check out some other people's simulations here. I bet there's like tons. So what's this? Earths with various atmospheres. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, okay. So this is Earth with... So, Earth with various atmospheres. This grid of Earths has a variety of atmospheres, each made up of a single gaseous material. Each column represents a different material, and each row has a different atmosphere mass. The largest of the largest masses in the top row. Each vertical layer of Earths has a different surface temperature, with the warmest in the back. Warmest in the back. Okay. So what's this then? Carbon dioxide, sulfur. So if we actually check out how that is. So this is if iron was its main object. This is its iron, was its atmosphere. So composition, a lot of iron, a lot on Earth. Oh, now we can just transform the side of Earth. Can't we just make it collide? I think we can cause a huge disaster out of this. Oh, get on! Boom! Ooh! Oof. Whoa! Yeah, we're out of its simulation now, mate. We're not in a sandbox. Well, we are in a sandbox. We're not just gonna watch a simulation here, like this. Let me get a sun. I'ma get a sun. Ah. Whoa. Ooh, yes. What's this sun? So I guess the entire thing is gone again. What the hell? Okay, let's see what others. Elliptical collisions. Right. Nitrogen collisions. Oh, wait. Nitrogen asteroid. Okay, let's see what this is about. What's that about to do here? So, that's going to collide. This is a nitrogen asteroid. I don't know what that's going to exactly do to the moon. Okay, so it's actually doing something here. It's into its core. Ooh, yeah, there's a lot of gas. There's tons of gas coming here. Nitrogen gas. Like a bit like oxygen. Well, not really, it's kind of useless, but it just makes up our air for some reason. But if we explode the gas, that's gonna cause a whole different thing here. Right, let's check out another one. Black hole and Earth. What the frick? Oh, okay. Did that just turn to the sun? Oh, that's a... hell is this? Okay. Solar one mass. Why is it so freaking laggy? Ooh. Whoa. Okay. That's not even Earth, mate. The black hole's not going anywhere. Or is it? Yeah, that really sucked it up. Okay. Right, what about Earth and Moon? 10 minutes, a second. Let me turn that down. Normally, the Moon stays in a nearly circular orbit around the Earth. In this simulation, however, the Moon crashes directly into Earth's surface, creating a shockwave that spreads across the Earth's surface, reducing spreads. Oh my. Okay. Producing a spray of debris. Some of the fragments are pulled back to the surface by Earth's gravity, but others flying off into space. Okay. Look, I think we have done this before. Done a collision between Moon and Earth. We must have done this in another Universe Sandbox video. Into Earth. The UK, prepare for you to, or us to be impacted. And Americans got it first. And then we'll get it eventually. Crossing the Atlantic. Yep, it's crossing the Bermuda Triangle and then into the UK. And Ireland, and Spain, and Africa, and France, Italia, Germany, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Belarus, Ukraine, Greece, Albania, Hungary, Bosnia, Macedonia, North Macedonia, Turkey, and then into other places, United Emirates, Saudi Arabia, passing Tunisia, Egypt, Algeria's gone. Right, okay. Yep, the Earth is chopped in absolute halves. Now it's gonna head towards Eastern Asia like China, Japan, and Korea. So let's go. What would it be like being down there? Yeah, the Earth is getting eroded by red water, like the Red Sea. Like literally the Red Sea. The Red Sea is a real sea in this planet. Friggin' hell, imagine if you lived there. Like, look at that. You get random bits of light, but just pure darkness at the same time. It would be such a weird world to live in. Super weird world. Like, especially like at night. Or until you get to a light source. And then you'll be blinded to death. Ooh, that is loud, violent noises there. Oof. Ooh, that's so bright. Ooh, yeah, that's way brighter than the sun. That might blind me. Blimey, that might blind me. Oh gosh, that's like... That is hot. Alright, this planet's boiling hot. And it's just gonna get hotter. That is serious. How many years is this gonna recover for? I'm gonna set this for 200 years a second. 200. Okay, so it's into 200 years, and I guess the Earth turned to its ice age. It's in its ice age. What? What? It was literally boiling, and now it's in its ice age. Are you crazy? How are we gonna get a sun to orbit around Earth? Right, okay, I'm gonna have to make a certain orbit around this planet. We need 1 AU of space. I still have no idea how far this is getting. I can't see how far we're going. I'm still thinking this is not much at all, is it? It's not really measuring. 1,000 light years. What about AU? Astronomical units. Distance to you. Ooh. Kevin, the Earth has just dipped or just got dissolved. Yeah, this is just a lonely sun. Alright. So I think we're gonna end the video here for today, so... Alright, let me just close this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want it, and I'll see you tomorrow on our Transport Fever 2, and then later on we're going to do our final video of the whole holiday. So yeah, so I'm gonna plan to do this at pretty much first thing in the morning after I have my breakfast, and then record and then upload, so it's like nice and early and all that, and then obviously it's going to be quite an early nighttime video because obviously I got school literally on Wednesday. Okay, I am going to go for a bit of a visit to school tomorrow, so that's why I'm thinking like I'm getting up at 7:30ish, and after I have my breakfast I'll record so like I can get it over with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. See yous.